You're live on air, no swearing.
Do you think I've ever sworn in my life? No, I've never. Not the sort of thing I'd do, is it? Hey, you okay? Sweet.
Hi, Dad.
Son?
Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm 27 from Blackpool and I work as a partnerships director at Bambers Building Contractors, and I've been here for almost 10 years. So as a building contractor, we offer a range of services to domestic clients as well as commercial. We have a large adaptations team who offer adaptation work to people with disabilities, and we also, for Cosy Homes in Lancashire, offer retrofit services. So that includes insulation measures, clean heat and solar PV, as well as everything else in between. My favourite thing about working in this industry is we're not just delivering a service, we're helping people in their day-to-day lives.
I am David Bamber. I am the Managing Director of Bambers. My background dates back to going to university after school. Finished university, went playing professional football for 15 years. Finished professional football, set up this business after I had an interest in property, and my father-in-law was a builder who sadly died, so I sort of took over. It's historical. When the company's set up, we initially did quite a lot of work for estate agents, and I did a course in damp and timber, learnt how to do it, became an expert in it by repetition, and it's important for people's property because it affects their health. It's detrimental to live in damp properties. It leads to mould, and also it damages the fabric of the building.
Hi, my name's Lola. I work for Bambers. I have done for about 3 years, and in that time I've always been in the retrofit department. So I find the most common questions we get from residents during the retrofit experience is how long is the work going to take, and is it going to be disruptive? It does depend on the measure they're having, but we like to reassure them from the beginning. So the first operative that visits their house, we give first name terms to, and conversely they have mine and Ellie's name in the office, so that if they do want to ring for anything, they know they're speaking to a human, and any queries can be, sorted out quite quickly. For me personally, my favourite thing about working for Bambers is the work we do really impacts people's lives and makes a difference. And I think in retrofit especially, we can do really small measures, but they make big differences. People are warm, safe, secure in their own homes.
Community is very important to me. This is what initially attracted us to the Cosy Homes scheme. It helps individuals who are in need to create a warm, dry property for them to live in. We, as a company, do like to give back. We sponsor children's football teams, boys and girls, which is a big circle back for me. I enjoy most about the company the development of the young lads coming through. They come here as school, as apprentices, and they have 4 or 5 years of learning, and a lot of them still work for us, and I feel very proud to see them going out, earning a decent wage and being a valuable member of the community. I thought that was probably the best one, really.
Yeah.